Hello everyone, this is the Transyro Tech. In this video we are going to show you an action camera which can be a GoPro alternative for twice less money, the SJCAM SJ7 STAR. The camera's color is black, but you can also buy it in silver or in rose gold on some sites. At first sight you can notice that the camera has one button on its top and two on its front. It also has a 2-inch screen on its back, which is a touchscreen. In overall, this camera looks nice. The camera's build quality is really good. The polished aluminum frame feels high quality, also is good to touch the plastic on the front, and the full glass back is nice as well. The whole camera is high quality and it feels solid. This camera has an Umbrella A12 S75 chipset and an IMX117 image sensor. With these it can record in real 4K. It has a lot of resolutions. It can record in 720p, 960p, 1080p, 1440p, 2.5K, 2.7K, 4K, and all of these in a lot of frame rate and aspect ratio combinations. I think this is too much and it's unnecessary. SJCAM should have to take just a few of these resolutions to this camera, just the most important ones like 720p 240 fps, 1080p 30, 60 and 120 fps, and 4K 30 fps. This camera records in 170 degrees wide angle, but if you are recording in 4K you can choose between wide, medium and narrow angle. It also has gyro stabilization, but it's only available if you are recording in 1080p. Of course, it can record time-lapse and slow motion videos as well. Using this camera is not complicated. You can turn on the camera by pressing the power button and holding it for 3 seconds. Turning off the camera can be done on the same way. You can start recording a video or take a photo by pressing the button on the top of the device. Pressing the settings button, you can reach the camera's video settings and basic settings. You can simply use the touchscreen to set anything. If the camera is turned on, swiping up you can choose between different modes: taking photos, setting a timer, taking a photo burst, recording a video or time-lapse. Swiping down you can watch your photos and videos which you made. Also from here you can turn on Wi-Fi. With Wi-Fi you can connect your camera with your smartphone. Just download the SJCAM Zone application, connect your phone to the camera's Wi-Fi, and after that open the application. Push the connect camera option and now you can see on your phone what's your camera seeing, and also you can reach your camera settings. You can buy an original SJCAM remote controller watch to your camera. You can connect it to your camera easily by swiping down and pressing the remote controller watch icon. The camera has 3 inputs on its side: a micro SD card slot, a micro HDMI and a mini USB port. If you want to start recording videos or taking photos with this camera, you will have to place in a micro SD card because the camera doesn't have internal memory. On the bottom of the camera there is a plastic door. If you open it, you can find the camera's 1000 mAh lithium-ion battery pack. You can charge the camera through the mini USB port. You can buy an official SJCAM clip microphone, which you can connect through the mini HDMI port to your camera. This action camera's price right now is about $160 on Amazon.com. For this price you also get a lot of accessories to your camera. I want to mention that with this price the SJCAM SJ7 is still a lot cheaper than a GoPro Hero 5. Then there is the question, is the GoPro Hero 5 that much better than the SJCAM SJ7? In conclusion, the SJCAM SJ7 STAR is a very good action camera. For its price you get a high quality, well usable action camera which can really shoot videos in 4K. We think that the SJCAM SJ7 STAR can be a real GoPro alternative. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, comment on it and share it. Also click on the logo to subscribe to this channel, and if you want to watch more content, click to one of these videos.